let's talk about our Hydrate and Nourish Luxury Face Oil. This amazing facial oil includes our Power of 5 cold press oil blend of virgin coconut, macadamia sakhevi, dilo and moringa oils to smooth, nourish and hydrate your skin while regenerating skin cells. It's an amazing product to use at night after cleansing and toning your skin. You can also use it in the morning if you feel you'd like to. It's great for all skin types and it is a great moment of self-care as well. How do you use it? You just want to unscrew the bottle here, pump up some of the oil through the pipette like so. You then want to put 2 to 3 drops in your hand. So 3 drops there for me. Gently massage it on your fingertips, not too much. You want your skin to get all of the benefits of the amazing oils. And then you just want to massage this all over your face and neck. As I said, I love using this one at night after cleansing and toning. It's a lovely moment of self-care. It also feels like you're putting all that nourishment and all of that hydration that might have been lost throughout the day back into your skin so it can regenerate and nourish your skin cells while you sleep. So you just massage in this beautiful facial oil and allow it to get to work while you sleep.